Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a Bratz style inspired Halloween makeup tutorial and hair tutorial, and I'm going to show y'all my outfit. This is my second time trying to film this video. You see, I usually do like the beauty glam videos, like the, like the smoky eyes or whatever. I'm trying to expand my horizons since I did graduate from makeup designer in New York City. We learned how to do prosthetics and everything like that, and how to glue down your brows and everything. And so yeah, I just got my makeup diploma. Congrats to me. So yeah, I'm gonna be dabbling into like the SFX world and the special effects world. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a Bratz makeup look. This is for my glam girls out there, or SFX makeup girls, or if you're just starting and want to get into SFX, this is a good tutorial. I'm gonna glue down my eyebrows first. I can make a separate video on that if you guys want. I'm not gonna put it in here because I could just make it into a separate video and it's gonna be too long, like it probably will already be. It is so pretty. It is the like bougiest one with like the Louis Vuitton. I'm really excited to start. If you guys like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and comment down below what other Halloween makeup looks you guys want from me. I'm going to try to bust out the Halloween tutorials this year. I am. Alright guys, see you in a little bit when I have no eyebrows. Wow. Hey guys, I'm back. Yes, I have no eyebrows right now. I know you can see it a little bit here. I try my best, only like my third time doing this. So yeah, yes, I look crazy right now, but I don't want to get this on my shirt. Okay, so I done this look a few days ago and I'll show you guys. This is what it might look like. The pink eyebrows are really cool. So this is the Bratz style I'm trying to recreate right now. So I think we're going to start with her eyebrows. So I'm going to be taking the Power Hungry MAC eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking a Morphe fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M433. And I'm going to be using like a really light brown, this shade right here. Tap it off. And I'm going to be going from my nose and then like doing like a C shape as best I can without like making it look muddy. So I'm going to be going like right above the brow like this. Like so. And they have like skinny noses-ish, so you can contour your nose a bit and then like go right above the brow, just so it gives like a guideline of where you want it to be. The brow, it's gonna go like right above right here. So I'm just basically making like a shadow of where I want the brow to be. So kind of something like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. This is just like an outline. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia. Yes, she has pink eyebrows, but I think this is going to be a good base to start out with. This is the Anastasia Dipper Pomade in soft brown. Whatever shade you want. I think a pomade is really good for this if you're doing an eyebrow from scratch. And they have like a curved eyebrow, so, and you can still like see eyebrow movement. And now I'm going to be taking like a magenta dark pink eyeshadow. This is really hard for this to like show up when you have glued down your brows. So I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, and this pink in here is really pretty. I really like it, and it's sparkly. And I'm just going to do this so it like shows up. Yeah, like showing up. You can always carve it out like you would for your normal brow. Don't use your highlighter color, but use what you use for your foundation. And then we could go back later and put like brown mark with like a brown liquid eyeliner. So yeah, it doesn't need to look perfect right now because we're probably going to be touching it up later, but I'm going to go in with like a small brush and take one of the light colors in the MAC, like this shade right here, and I'm going to start like carving them out a little bit. Hopefully this is not shimmery. Oh my god, did you guys see that music video that Kygo came out with Madison Klein and her boyfriend from Outer Banks? Oh my god, that was so cute. I was literally like waiting for that to come out ever since she posted it on her Instagram. I watched it like a million times. So yeah, it should look something like this, and then you can carve it out like now or later, whatever you want. I'm gonna take, I already have some on my palette, and I'm gonna carve it out right here. Okay, so it should look something like this. Now I'm going to be doing her eyeshadow right here, which is purple. If I was doing this on a client, I would have printed out. That's what the professionals do in like the real world. Where I went to school, that's what they do. So I'm going to be taking the Zodiac by BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be taking these two dark purple shades, this color and this color right here. And I'm going to be using a medium-sized fluffy brush, mainly focusing it on this color, the dark purple, but mixing these two, and then tap it off. And now where I did that brow thing before, like when I'm going to start by doing my eyeshadow right there. So with these type of makeup looks, what I have noticed is it's good to go with a liquid and then set it with a powder. I wouldn't use those Rubber Mask Grease Paints by Kryolan just yet. I would just use it under the eye. Go like on top of the eyebrow, don't be scared. Creating the eye, so she has like a cat eye, like it's like curved and then it goes like a little out. Yeah, something like this. And try not to go outside the brow because then it will start looking fake. And that's always my mistake these few times I've done this makeup look. So, and then I go inside too because that's what the doll has. Remember, I'm trying to make the nose look small, like the Bratz dolls have like these itty bitty noses. I always call the Bratz doll. At my school they call me Bratz doll. Everyone calls me Bratz doll for some reason. Like, oh, it's the big eyes. I'm like, okay. And then I went a little far with the purple, so I might extend my eyebrow. Oh yeah, you could take this color in here too. This is like what the Bratz style has. And then you can like, kind of hard because, it's kind of hard because in the photo, half her eyebrow is covered. So I'm low-key just like winging it. And then I'm going to be taking like a smaller brush and just highlight it right here. I'm going to be going back here later and taking the excess glue. This is just helping highlight the brow bone. Yeah, I'm going to take this off. It looks gross. And now I'm going to be taking the magenta looking color to carve out my eyelid. So this right here. So I'm going to be taking lip gloss actually, like to match this. One of these. This is a Too Faced metallic lipstick. So I'm going to be taking this one and I'm going to be carving out the lid that she has. I'm going a little bit bigger obviously because she's a doll and her eyes are huge and I'm trying to mock that. So I'm going to be doing like a cat eye. We're going to be setting this with like a magenta color, and I recommend taking like loose powder. This color might not exactly match the Bratz doll, but this is what I have. She has like a magenta on, which is like in the Naked Ultraviolet palette, but I have this shimmery thing, so I'm going to be putting this on my palette. I'm gonna mix it. This is the Bare Minerals Blush and Beauty, but it's like a powder, which is what you want. And I'm gonna be mixing those two shimmery colors. Yeah, and the blush is pretty too because it's matte, and she has like a matte color on the doll. I'm gonna be picking it up, and I'm gonna be applying it where I applied the lipstick. So I'm trying to really like match what the doll has. And yeah, I recommend not putting makeup on the other half of your face because you see all the makeup is falling? Yeah, it's gonna ruin the makeup that you just put on. And then I'm going to be taking this color right here. This is in Libra. Oh, that's me. Tap it off. And I'm going to be putting this on top to like try to get that magenta color. And then I might go in for that shimmery magenta shade in the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. And I'm doing this because the color that I mixed doesn't look like the picture. I'm trying to match the picture with the things that I have. It looks more like a purpley pink. So I'm going to be doing this color right here, Warning, and I'm going to be putting that all over my eyelid. Yeah, see, like this is the color that you want. I know the dark purple looks really messy right now, but we're going to go back in and fix that. Yeah, don't use Rubber Mask Grease Paints up on this eyelid because I put black eyeliner on top of it, and then like it was just a hot mess and it wasn't doing the eye look that I wanted. So yeah, so this is perfect. It should look like this. And then I'm going to be taking that dark purple again in the Zodiac palette and reiterate what I had before. And then I'm going to go back in with that magenta color from the Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette right here. And I'm going to be taking that Warning color right here with a brush that looks like this, and then I'm gonna be carving it out again because this is a different color. Just reiterate what you had before. And now this is the tricky part. This is where I put the black eyeliner. Like this with like a eyeliner in a pot. It's an angled brush like what I used to put on the eyebrows, and then I'm gonna be taking a Maybelline Eye Studio like gel black eyeliner, and I'm gonna be carving out what she has. Like she put it above, like a thin line above, and then like she has a winged eyeliner above and around. So we're gonna be doing the eyeliner right here first and make it thick, because when you, make it thick. And it's an angled eyeliner. And don't be afraid to come like out like this, but she has it really curved. You don't want it hidden, you want it to be seen because you can see hers really well. So don't be afraid to go thick. And then you're gonna follow the like the eyeshadow, and you're gonna go, and then you're gonna go back down. So it looks something like this.